Good morning, students. Shinde sir, Chartered Group of Education. Again, we have to continue the part of straight line. That means we have already studied and that three theorems. So depends on that we have to solve certain examples. These examples are also important point of view JEE and CET. So first one question is find the combined equation of that pair of straight lines. Now lines are given, so we have to calculate the combined equation. So first one it is 2x plus y equals to 0, 3x minus y equals to 0. So you can consider that two lines means you represent the first line, we represent the second line. So now we have to calculate the combined equation of that pair of straight lines. So as you know that locus u into v equals to 0 is the combined equation. So you have to put the value of u, it is 2x plus y, and v it is 3x minus y equals to 0. So product of these two, 2x into 3x, 6x square, 2x minus y minus 2xy, y into 3x plus 3xy minus y square equals to 0. So therefore modified form 6x square plus xy minus y square equals to 0. So this is the combined equation of that pair of straight lines which are given. Now next, just look into the given information properly. Passing through point 2, 3 and parallel to the coordinate axes. As the lines are passing through these 2 points, point of view as we consider, then 2, 3 means it is in the first quadrant. Now lines passing through that, as we consider, then they are parallel to respective coordinate axes. As that line is parallel to x-axis, you know equation of that it is y equals to constant. And if a line is parallel to axis, then you know the equation of that line, it is x equals to constant. Now that constant you can calculate by using this point because lines are passing through that. So y equals to 3 and x equals to 2. So basically, let the lines passing through point, it is given 2, 3 and parallel to coordinate axes B, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So again, u represents that line means x minus 2 equals to 0 and v means y minus 3 equals to 0. So again that combined equation is u into v equals to 0. So x minus 2 into y minus 3 equals to 0. So xy minus 3x minus 2y minus minus plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the combined equation of that two lines which are parallel to coordinate axes. Now next question we have to consider again, find the separate equations of the lines in the given combined equation. So once again these questions are also important point of view JEE and that CET. Now first one equation is given, y square point of view, definitely in that equation two lines are there. So 3y square plus 7xy equals to 0. Given equation point of view, 3y square plus 7xy equals to 0. So simply you can take y common. So what remains? 3y plus 7x. So y equals to 0 and 7x plus 3y equals to 0. You know y equals to 0 is the equation of x-axis and it is passing through origin. This one constant term separately it is absent, so it is also the equation of line passing through origin. Next, that 5x square minus 9y square, so equals to 0 point of, you can modify that first term, root 5 into x bracket square minus 9 means 3 y bracket square. So this is in the form a square minus b square. So as far as that a square minus b square, if we consider, then you know the standard form that a minus b and a plus b. So root 5 into x minus 3y, root 5 into x plus 3y equals to 0. So first equation, root 5 into x minus 3y equals to 0 and root 5 into x plus 3y equals to 0. Now in the different form again, 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square equals to 0. So this equation you can consider which is quadratic in x or quadratic in y. So you have to factorize this equation according to the middle term. So 3x square minus 12xy plus 2xy minus 8y square equals to 0 because coefficient of x square and y square it is 3 into minus 8. So product is minus 24. So we have to factorize that minus 24 with respect to middle term. So factors are minus 12 and 2. So therefore, from these two first terms, 3x is common. So x minus 4y plus 2y it is common. X minus 4y equals to 0. Now this one, x minus 4y it is in all common. So therefore in the another bracket 3x plus 2y equals to 0. So first bracket x minus 2y 0 and second 3x plus 2y equals to 0. Again that next one type of question, x square plus 2 into cosec alpha into xy plus y square equals to 0. So given equation point of view, as we observe equation first, then definitely factors are not possible. So we have to solve this one by using auxiliary form or compare that equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. So a equals to 1, 2h it is 2 cos alpha and b equals to 1. A equals to 1, so h equals to cosec alpha and b equals to 1. So let two lines point up in that case. Let m be slope of one of the lines in equation first. So that m, how we can calculate? So for that one form it is there. M equals to minus h plus minus square root of h square minus ab. So you can put the values. H means cosec alpha. So minus cosec alpha plus minus square root of h square means cosec square alpha minus 1. Because of a and b it is equals to 1. So 1 into 1 it is 1. Divided by b means 1. Now minus cosec alpha plus minus square root of that cosec square alpha minus 1 it is cot square alpha. So m equals to minus cosec alpha plus minus cot alpha. So square root of this 1.5. So you can put the values of that m. So equations of lines in equation first are basically y equals to mx. So you can consider the two values of y. So y equals to in bracket minus cosec alpha plus minus cot alpha into x. So separate the values. So y equals to first one line minus cosec alpha plus cot alpha into x. Second, y equals to minus cosec alpha minus cot alpha into that x. So these types of equations we have to solve. Again, some equations or some calculations related with problems are remain. So we have to continue in the next section. Thank you.